This home has great livable space with room to expand. Hi, I'm Alisha Collins with the Alisha Collins Real Estate Team, and today we're at our newest listing, 1910 Zuni Trail in Bar Nunn, Wyoming, which is just 7 miles from Casper, Wyoming. This home has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a full unfinished basement with 3,040 square feet. Let's go inside. I can just imagine football parties and holidays in this space, can't you? Right as you walk in the door, you feel how light and bright this home is. The vaulted ceilings just give it that big feel. There's lots of space in the living room for furniture and friends, and there's a large dining room space with a great light. I love that light. This is a super functional kitchen. I would put some bar stools right here so that friends and family can hang out with me while I'm cooking in the kitchen. I love the cityscape design of these cabinets because it just gives it some character. There's lots of counter space, great Samsung appliances, and even a gas range, and you all tell me that's what you want. This is one of my favorite floor plans because it has the split design. So the primary suite is on this side, and then there's 2 bedrooms and a bathroom on that side. This primary suite is amazing because it has a huge size, a walk-in closet, and of course, an ensuite bath. Lots of storage and space in this primary bathroom, tiled floor, tiled shower surround, and look at that ergonomically correct soaker tub. On this side of the house are the 2 bedrooms I was talking about. There's also a bathroom in between. These bedrooms are great size. Now, for those of you who want to build equity, this basement is a secret. Come on. Y'all, look at this. It's framed out and insulated, ready for you to finish it. And you can finish it whatever way you want. And I want to point out there are 3 egress windows, so you can have 2 bedrooms and still have light in your living room. And there's also a bathroom stub out in a convenient place. Couple more things I wanted to tell you is this home is located in a lot with nothing behind it but prairie. This home also has a 3-car garage, RV parking, and lots of room for fun. If you would like to see this home, please reach out to me. I'd love to show it to you. Remember, we want you to love where you live. See you soon. Okay. This home has great livable space with this room. Oh my God. This Bar Nunn. It keeps going mum. Bar Nunn. Okay. Yes. Okay. I almost said the dog one.